Hey there everybody, this is Kristen from Teaching Balance, and I just wanted to make one more video to check in with you. Wish you first of all a very happy weekend, a long weekend for many of us, and just remind you that the Feng Shui Vision Boarding Workshop is happening very soon, depending on when you watch this, either tomorrow or today, Saturday. And I would love for you to get in on this. Just as a reminder, you don't actually have to be on the workshop itself live. Everyone who registers is going to have access to the recording, and so you can watch it at your convenience or rewatch it if you care to. And just as one other reminder, you've heard me putting a lot of stuff out there about Feng Shui, and you're probably seeing a lot of posts in my feed about that. This is the vision board that I did last year, and I basically just did it on those principles. And so the idea is, while you don't have to do a vision board this way, and to be honest, few people do, it's really about all the different sections. So for example, here's my love and romance section, and you can probably see there's like a real love, be in a good mood, deepen, do beautiful work, things like that. And so I just really like that, and that's just one example, and that's the gua that's in the upper right hand corner. That's about relationships and love. I just put mine, by the way, on a manila folder. I like that because I hang it on the back of my office door. You can put yours on anything, and as I've posted in a variety of places, you can also do it all virtually if you would like to, or don't feel like you have the time or the interest to actually get the little pieces of paper. So I hope that you'll see it, depending on where this is posted. If it's on Instagram, you'll see that the link to register is in my bio, and if this is on YouTube, then you will see this, or elsewhere, you'll see this probably below the video. I hope that you have a wonderful weekend, and I hope to see you in that workshop. Take care. Bye.